slight at first, and when you look at your life, realize that your entire life has shifted to make that belief true. But what do you believe? Hello loves, so welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, welcome. Here we talk spirituality, finding your purpose, living in your purpose. So in this video, I want to ask you, what do you believe? What do you believe about yourself? What do you believe about your life? To answer that question, we would have to look at our lives, because our beliefs create our reality. Are you healthy? How are your finances doing? How are your relationships in your life? Are you happy? If you're not happy, it may be because you don't think you deserve happiness. If you don't have the kind of money that you want, do you think money is evil? Do you believe that you are worthy of loving relationships? Remember, we spoke about changing your identity. Because when you change your identity, you then change your beliefs about yourself. You change your beliefs about your life. You change your beliefs about what you can accomplish, what you can have. Change your identity, you change your beliefs, you change your reality. You don't have the beliefs that you want to have, and you know that because you don't have the reality that you want. So we have to change our beliefs to then change our reality. So how do we change our beliefs? First off, what is a belief? Belief is a thought that you keep revisiting. So if you keep thinking about something, eventually you will believe it. So what we want to do, we want to have thoughts that we want to have beliefs of. So if you have thoughts in your head that you're not worthy of anything, we want to change those thoughts. We're worthy of the best that this world has to offer. We are worthy to walk in our purpose. We are worthy to live a blissful, beautiful, happy life. You are worthy for all your dreams to manifest. And if you don't believe that, whatever progress you try to make, somehow you'll self-sabotage yourself because you don't believe you're worthy of it. So we want to have thoughts that say we're worthy, and we want to be very intentional about it. So if you see yourself not getting the results that you want in whatever specific area, we're just using worthiness as an example. So you would affirm to yourself how worthy you are. In the morning, when you wake up, tell yourself how worthy you are. Look yourself in the mirror. Tell yourself how worthy you are. Write it on your mirror. Write it on your walls. Write it on your phone. Have it as your wallpaper. Listen to music. People that would only strengthen that belief that you are worthy. So in this video, we're going to go over some affirmations, and you want to listen to these affirmations for 21 to 60 days, because that's how long it takes to change a belief. Are you ready to put in that work for 60 days to change your belief, to have the life that you prefer? Are you willing to put that work in? Once your belief changes, your life changes, you know. It would be slight at first, and when you look at your life, you realize that your entire life has shifted to make that belief true. But what do you believe? So we're gonna start the affirmations now. I thank you so much for being here, and learning with me and being impacted and being here. I appreciate you so much, and I just love this space of connecting. I feel at home here, and I feel, this is my destiny, and this is what I'm supposed to be doing. So if you see me in my glee, this is why, because I'm so happy that I found this, and I can share and engage, and it's so beautiful. So I thank you for sharing with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I am worthy. I am deserving. I am deserving of the best that this world has to offer. I am enough. I am more than enough. I am deserving of all the greatness that I attract. I am beautiful, and I live a life filled with beauty. Each day, I offer myself as a gift to the world. How best can I serve the universe today? Today, I am filled with energy, and I am free from all pain. I am in love with the person that I see in the mirror. I am productive and motivated. I find joy in everything that I do. I live my life in the present moment. I am powerful. I am beautiful. I am loved. I love and accept myself just the way I am. I have everything that I need right now in this moment. Each moment brings more health and more wealth. Today is a gift, and I am blessed to be here. Today, I welcome beauty, and beauty welcomes me. I am love, and I allow others to love me. Today, I feel powerful and healthy. My skin radiates beauty and health. I am worthy of respect and admiration. I forgive myself for yesterday's past mistakes. My days are easy and comfortable. I find joy in everything that I do. Joy, love, peace, abundance, these are my natural states. Today, I give unconditional love, and I allow myself to be loved unconditionally. I am prosperous in everything that I do. I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am wise. I am the best. I am blessed to be the best. I am deserving. I am worthy. My physical health and my mental health are my priorities. I deserve to give my gifts to the world and be paid I deserve to live my life in my purpose.